Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Nurshara Atiba and today my group and I will be presenting on the 5S methodology as part of our maintenance technology course under the guidance of lecturer Muhammad Razali bin Daud. Let me introduce you to our group member. We have Salita Rani, Nurul Huda and Angelina. Our presentation will cover the following topics: an introduction to the 5S methodology and detailed explanation of each of the 5 topics, which is sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain, followed by our conclusion. The 5S methodology is a workplace organization system that originates in Japan. Its primary goal is to enhance efficiency, safety, and productivity through a structured approach. The 5 steps is the methodology are sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. The importance of the 5S methodology lies in its ability to create a more efficient, safe, and productive work environment. The first step in the 5S methodology is sort or sailing, which focus on organizing the workplace by eliminating unnecessary items. The goal is to establish a safe, effective, and clutter-free work environment. This procedure entails assessing each object in the workspace and classifying it according to its requirement and usage frequency. The sort steps can be broken down into several actions. First, evaluate the workspace. Inspect the entire workspace, identifying an item present, including tools, materials, equipment, documents, and supplies. Second is categorize items. Group items by frequency of use, daily, weekly, or monthly, infrequently, or obsolete. Next is tag items. Use a red tag for items to evaluate for disposal or relocation, a yellow tag for occasionally used items needing designated storage, and a green tag for essential items to keep in the workspace. Next, make decisions. Decide to keep essential and frequently used items in the workspace. Relocate occasionally used items to designated storage and dispose of unnecessary items by recycling, donating, or discharging. Next, implement change. Remove red tag items from the workspace. Organize and make green tag items accessible. And store yellow tag items in designated areas away from the primary workspace. Lastly, review and adjust. Conduct a final review to ensure all unnecessary items are removed and make adjustments as needed to maintain an organized, clutter-free environment.
My name is Salita Rani, anak perempuan Nexai, metric number TG23053. Today I'm present about set in order set item in 5S. Set in order is to organize the remaining item. What is a set in order? The step truly organize the item that remain after sorting, making frequently used item easily accessible and providing item a clear and easy to find. Why need to set in order? Enable every item to have a specific home where it can be easily found and to which it can be easily returned. It reduces the waste from excess motion as items are placed in more ergonomic location. It is also the second step on the part to opening space that can be used strategically toward the goal of improving production. How implement in set in order. After you sorted the item, it's time to decide how you want to recognize them. First, provide easy access to visually used items. Second, group like item. Third, utilize visual design. Fourth, use containers to organizing. Five, unlist the label. Six, be agile. Next, about shines. Say you should clean and inspect the work are. What is shine? The shine step evaluate the work area by ensuring truly clean and inspected tool, equipment, and other items. It also can include routine maintenance on equipment, which is one of the way it flow directly into TPM. Why we need to shine? Shine create a work environment that engages and empower operator by giving them more responsibility and agency over their work area. It also helps them to identify problems before they interfere with production. For example, in clean work environment, it is much easier to spot emerging issues such as fluid leak, material spill, metal sharing from unexpected wear, hairline crack in mechanisms. How we implement the shine? After you straighten an item, it's time to evaluate the work area by cleaning, inspecting, and in some cases, performing routine maintenance. We recommend the following. First, grab the metaphorical spray bottle. Second, find the source. Third, inspect the condition of the item.
Standardize or Seketsu is the fourth step on the 5S methodology. Standardize aims to establish a consistent and systematic approach to maintaining cleanliness, organization, and visual orders in the workplace by developing and implementing clear standards, practice, and visual management tools. Based on the cleanliness, we must develop standards for maintaining cleanliness and organization in the workplace. This involves creating clear guidelines, procedures, and best practice to ensure that the workplace remains organized and clean consistently. The tools management, we must present any visual management tools or checklists created to support this step. Visual management tools can include like color coding systems, floor marking, labeling, and visual aids that make it easy to identify what belongs where and what needs to be done. Checklists can be used as reminder or for regular inspection to ensure that the established standards are being followed. What is sustain? Sustain or Shitsuke in Japanese is the fifth and final stage of the 5S methodology. It involves creating process, habits, and a culture that ensures the continuous adherence to the standards established in the previous 4S stage. Sort, say in order, shine, and standardize over the long term. The sustain phase focus on monitoring, auditing, training, and reinforcing the 5S practice to prevent backsliding and maintain the improvement achieved through disciplined implementation of the 5S principle. The first objective in a sustain or Shitsuke is the outline a plan to ensure the continuous adherence. First, we must establish a regular audit schedule such as weekly or monthly to assess 5S compliance across work areas. Create 5S audits, checklists, and criteria to evaluate adherence to the standard. Assign 5S responsibilities to team member or design auditor and set targets or goal for maintaining 5S standards over time. The second objective is the monitor and enforce standards over time, which is conduct Gemba walks that go and see to observe work areas and identify 5S labs. Use visual management tools such as 5S scoreboards or photo to track and display compliance level. Implement a system for reporting and addressing 5S deviation or issue. Provide coaching, training, and feedback to reinforce 5S behaviors. Recognize and appreciate teams or individuals exhibiting exemplary 5S practice. The last one is consider implementing consequence or disciplinary action for repeated or willful non-compliance.
Hi, my name is Angelina. My metric number is 3G23053. I will present the conclusion. Implementing 5S has significantly enhanced efficiency by creating organized workspaces that reduce time spent searching for tools, thereby boosting productivity, and has improved safety through regular cleaning and clear labeling that minimize clutter and prevent accidents. However, challenges such as resistance to change and maintaining consistency over time were encountered. These issues were addressed by involving employees from the beginning, providing throughout training, conducting regular audits, and promoting continuous improvement efforts to ensure the sustainability of the new standards. Thank you.